Hey, what's up, and welcome to the Nutrition Kitchen. I'm with my spice sensei and meal mentor, Chef Poullard.
Always a pleasure, Keon. So what are we cooking up today?
Well, Chef, depends on what type of cooking you're talking, because if we're talking on the court, hey, you better ask about me. But seriously, I don't really cook that much. One of my favorites is the classic peanut butter and jelly. So how do I upgrade that?
Okay, well, let's break it down into basic ingredients. I'll show you 3 different levels you can make it at home. We'll start with your level 1 version, which is what you would typically use to make your classic PB&J. Then we can upgrade to your level 2 and level 3 using higher quality ingredients with less calories, more nutrients, and less processing.
Okay, leveling up. Okay, I'm a little familiar with that, kind of like video games.
Yes.
So what's my level 1 then?
Well, how would you make your classic PB&J?
Oh, that's easy. So I take my white bread, some smooth peanut butter, and grape jelly.
Okay, so our level 2 upgrade is going to be an open-faced sandwich with 100% whole wheat grain bread. Natural peanut butter, which is peanut butter without hydrogenated oils, and fresh blackberries. We think they taste most like jelly.
Fresh blackberries. That might hurt my wallet a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Are there any mods or modifications for that?
Yes, you can buy frozen berries. They won't spoil and they're cheaper. Just put the frozen fruit in the fridge the night before you want to eat it and let it thaw. But if you really want to make things simple, just use a banana. It's cheap and easy to pack.
Okay, Elvis style. Okay, I can dig that.
Yeah, these ingredients are available at your regular grocery store, but check the ingredients list of each grocery item before you buy. Some breads are marked with whole grains or multi-grain, but they're not 100% whole grain. So look for the bread where the first ingredient is whole wheat flour or it says 100% whole wheat on the package. Same story with the peanut butter. You'll want to check the ingredient list. Look for something without hydrogenated oils.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, so our level 3 upgrade is also open-faced, but it's sweet potato toast. Peanut-only peanut butter, and again, fresh or frozen fruit.
All right, sweet potato toast. Now that's something that I'm familiar with too. Is that kind of like sweet potato pie? Because my grandma makes that all the time. That's a classic.
I'm not sure about that, but I'm the sensei here. Do you trust me or not?
Okay. Say less, Chef. Can I buy sweet potato toast just at the store, or how?
No, actually, you can only buy them at specialty stores.
I've never done that.
No worries. They're expensive to buy anyway, but sweet potato toasts are easy to make on your own.
Show me how it's done. Let's do it.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees.
Okay.
And then grab a baking sheet and we'll line it with parchment paper.
All right.
And we'll put your parchment paper on top of your baking sheet.
You're right.
Sweet potatoes are going to come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. So particularly you want to choose one that's more rounded, like this one here. You're going to scrub the sweet potato, but don't peel it.
Okay, I'm a rookie, remember, so can you walk me through how to scrub the potato?
Yeah, just run it under tap water and give it a good scrub with either a brush or your fingers and get all that dirt off.
Okay. All right, clean.
Go ahead and dry it off. So now you're going to cut it into 1/4-inch slices lengthwise. And a couple ways that you can do this is you can use a mandolin slicer if you own one.
Okay.
Either way, the mandolin can be replaced with a large sharp knife and you'll go ahead and start slicing.
Okay, is there a secret to slicing sweet potatoes?
Yeah, don't slice your fingers.
Okay, okay, I hear you, Chef. Well, how do I start?
So it'll help if you can create a flat surface on one side of the sweet potato so it doesn't roll around.
Okay.
So go ahead and create a flat surface on one side. Just a little bit you'll cut off.
Like right here?
Right there is great.
Okay.
There you go. All right, lay that flat. And that way it stays stable. And if it's too hard to cut, you'll poke it with a fork a few times and microwave it for a few minutes to soften it. If you're having trouble cutting lengthwise, you can make little sweet potato chips or sweet potato boats. They all work just fine. You just need to adjust how long they go in the oven. So once you have your slices, put them on a baking sheet and pop them in the oven for 15 to 25 minutes. But don't worry, since they're a little tough to cut, I went ahead and pre-cut some for you so you have them already ready for yourself.
Okay.
So go ahead and put those down. They'll go in the oven for 15 to 25 minutes.
Okay. Just place them out like this.
They should come out fork tender, but not cooked all the way through. Alternatively, if you want them to be more firm or caramelized, you'll just remove the parchment paper, toss it with a small amount of olive oil, then bake at 425.
Okay. All right. All right, got it. So is that it?
That's it. Once they're done, we'll let them cool and store them in an airtight container in the fridge. It's a great batch cook recipe. Just take them out when you're ready to toast them.
So is there anything different about toasting sweet potato slices versus regular bread?
Just make sure you put it on the highest setting. But if you want to eat them fresh, just break them a few extra minutes. And I actually have these ready for you to try.
Ooh, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Let me crack the whole grain first.
Level up.
I like the blackberries, and I'm happy we got the peanut butter in there for the gains, you know?
Yeah, that always helps. So if it's too awkward to eat, you could just put a blackberry on one bite at a time. And how's the sweet potato toast?
Oh, let me try that.
Level up.
You know, I'm not gonna lie, it's not just like my grandma's sweet potato pie, but it's better than I thought. Thank you. If you want to level up your nutrition knowledge, be sure to check out the companion episode, The Science Behind, Episode 1, Peanut Butter and Jelly Sandwich. And we out. Yeah, it's really good, actually.